All right, what are we doing?
We're going to pretty much make a volcano out of just ketchup and some baking soda.
All right.
So we're going to unscrew the top of the ketchup, if I can, there. And then we're going to pour as much baking soda as we're able to into the top of the ketchup bottle. And then after we're done doing that, we're going to have to shake the ketchup bottle.
That's a lot.
As
I've
much
seen
as
these
we
on
can.
YouTube and they explode pretty good. So be careful when you're shaking it not to shake it towards yourself.
Yep.
Put it on there tight and hold your thumb over the flapper on it. So there, give that a good couple of shakes and see what happens. Hold your thumb on the top and give it a good up and down shake. Flip it over a couple of times. There you go. Come on, shake it. All right, put it down and see if anything happens. Oh. No, you gotta give it another shake. Do you want me to take over?
Yeah, I don't think
Here.
we're going. No.
Hold on, no, here.
No, I will. I
Well,
just
then
don't
shake it
think
more.
we're supposed to open it, is the thing.
Shake it hard. Watch, don't point it at your face. You're pointing it at your face. Shake hard, like thump it. Thump it up and down. There you go.
It looks like it's gonna explode.
Don't let it tip over. Be careful.
I know, I'm gonna.
Don't be pointing at yourself.
Oh, this is thick.
It's all popped up thick.
Okay.
Set it down and put the wood around it so it stays standing up. Put pieces of wood around it so that it'll stay standing up. Whoops. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We gotta flick that top off.
So like that?
Well, more, all the way around it. One more. All right, now flick the top off. Which way does it flick? Whoa! There was a lot of pressure in there, but we don't have a volcano, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. We do have a volcano going. A little bit.
Yeah.
That wasn't as dramatic as I was hoping. I think we needed more ketchup. That was about...
Yeah.
But it's bubbling up. Blub, 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 blub.
Volcano. I was expecting it to shoot up into the sky.
Well, the one video we saw, the woman doing it to her boyfriend, it covered the ceiling and did
like the entire
But
house.
that was almost full, I think, because this isn't...
I think it's because we didn't use